Hey guys, complete your family table setting this Christmas with a quick and easy DIY floral centerpiece. You'll need eucalyptus, white spray roses, eryngiums, white spider mums, red roses, hypericums, 2 candles plus holders, and a floral foam brick. Start by soaking the floral foam with clean water. Place your candle holders and candles slightly apart from each other. Snip the stems of your red freedom roses about an inch long and insert them on an angle around the candles. Repeat the same for your white spider chrysanthemums. Keep your silver dollar eucalyptus leaves a little longer and place them around the edges facing outwards. Then, use some purple eryngium flowers to add a different layer of texture and color. Fill in the gaps with some white spray roses until your arrangement is brimming with flowers. Finally, add red and green hypericums for that ultimate Christmas vibe. Get fresh and affordable Christmas flowers from globalrose.com today.